Hello Affinity designers. This quick video is just to give you a sense of how you might use the idea of repeating brushes in designer persona. Here are a collection of designs I've made, and you can see them applied on the right to some strokes. Let me just show you how I did this. So I'm just going to take one example, this chain link, and I've just broken it down into its components. The links are comprised of just the link shapes with a glow highlight on with some Gaussian blur and some shadows, and then I took that whole thing, flattened it as a pixel mask, and then applied some texture over the top and then use that as an overlay. Once you've got that done, you can go to your export and save this and then import it again as a textured image brush. Here you go with again with those samples I showed before, and I find the image brush works well when you want to maintain both opacity and the colors, although you can recolor them using tints. Here's another thing with using repeating brushes. I've actually created the same brush in two different directions, and by having the repeat brush set or the stretch brush set to a segment like this cable, you can have this go on forever and then just end in a terminal that's designed, in this case, a USB plug. You'll notice on this USB plug that if you have the wrong cap selected, you get kind of a jagged end. So just go to the strokes menu and select the cap that fixes that problem for you. And just finally, here are two of the same brushes, except I've made one a repeating brush and one a stretch brush, and it will take any textures you've added and smooth them out if it's a stretch brush, whereas the repeat brush will preserve any texture elements. In this case, I had some noise that I added in. Thanks for watching. If you learned something, give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Catch you next time.